Tingnan nyo, merong isang piratang nagwawagayway ng kanyang watawat dito sa BGC. Pumunta nga kami dito sa BGC or Bonifacio Global City para masaksihan ang event ng live action ng One Piece dito sa Netflix. Dito ay nakita nga namin yung iba't ibang mga cosplayers at tinanong namin sila about sa live
What
action.
can you say about One Piece live action season 2?
I really love it. Kahit na hindi siya 1:1 sa manga, gusto ko lang mga changes na nagagawa sa live action.
What can you say about One Piece live action season 2?
I think One Piece live action from Netflix becomes more detailed compared to the anime version and manga.
Okay. So,
One Piece Season 2, it's much more fun and adventure because many characters involved and also a great cinematography and great watch than Season 1.
what's your favorite line in One Piece?
Season 2,
Yeah.
Gum Gum Pistol!
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. Okay. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Bye!
What can you say about One Piece live action season 2?
Can I say about that? It was so awesome and beautiful. Especially yung kay Lagoon and kay Chopper. He did right about that. It captures every piece of manga and sa anime din. Though may mga iba po na parang may mga parang hinahanap ko. May hinahanap din po ako doon sa manga, sa live action na wala siya. Ay sorry, na hinahanap sa anime na wala sa manga. Na-deliver naman po yung One Piece sa great series.
Good evening, Stefan.
Good evening.
What can you say about One Piece season 2 live action?
Well, I haven't seen much of it so far, but from what I've seen, it's definitely a lot better than Season 1, and I'm very excited to see the adventures that await Luffy and his crew as they go into the Grand Line.
Wow. Okay, next question. Who's your favorite character in One Piece season 2 live action?
Ooh. Well, from the Straw Hats, I'd have to go with Sanji. But for the new characters so far, I'd have to say either Smoker or Miss All Sunday. And Vivi as well.
Okay.
At dito nagtatapos ang ating adventure.